Trent Primmer from Barclay Pearce Capital in Sydney. These are our 5 stocks for your portfolio for October. Bingo Industries, they're a fully integrated recycling and waste management company. They've seen really strong financial performances as consumer trends, federal and state policies are shifting towards a more environmentally friendly focus, which is particularly focused on the importance of recycling. So they have a robust balance sheet, strong operational flexibility, and they have a future plan to focus on low capex and cash preservation. Bin's very well primed to benefit from fast-tracked fiscal stimulus and an increase in infrastructure activity, which is why we see it as a staple for any investor's portfolio. Kogan. Kogan is a leading Aussie consumer brand which is renowned for price leadership through digital efficiencies and leverage off their online business model. In the last few years, we've actually seen the gradual digitization of brick and mortar retailers, which all of the Aussie markets pretty much focused on at the moment. COVID's accelerated this trend considerably. Because of this, they've strong growth potential in addition to people being on tighter budget constraints, which is pushing down demand for premium products and over to value goods that Kogan focuses on. We like Kogan as they have a diverse product range and a strong white label model, along with a significant gross profit margin strategy, which we obviously see it as a staple stock for each investor's portfolio. So the third stock is Resapp, which is a leading digital health company which develops smartphone applications for the diagnosis and management of respiratory diseases. Their machine learning algorithms actually use sound to diagnose and measure the severity of respiratory conditions without the need for larger and heftier and more costly accessories or machinery. So we see a huge market for Resapp's products as they continue to invest in research and development, and they seek further regulatory approvals and commercialization of their products in the US and Europe. Vmoto, they're a global scooter manufacturing group which specializes in the high-quality electric two-wheeled vehicle space. I know a lot of people don't like scooters, but they will like Vmoto. They've got strong operational performance, and they recorded a 500% growth in profit increase over the last 12 months, which was driven by demand from existing distributors and ride-sharing customers. Now, a number of European governments are implementing initiatives, including subsidies for purchase of two-wheel vehicles, to support green mobility in the COVID-19 post-lockdown phase. Zoono is a global biotech company that develops, manufactures, and distributes a suite of scientifically validated, long-lasting antimicrobial solutions, which include sprays, wipes, and foams. Now, their products are highly effective. Tests have confirmed that their Microbe Shield product is 99.99% effective against COVID-19. They're the only, or one of the only producers for products that have a 99.99% effective rate against COVID. So naturally, demand for the products has dramatically increased during the pandemic. They're looking to expand their growth globally, and the business continues to secure new distribution agreements in areas including the Middle East and the US, which they look to mirror the success of the UK market, which they've recently tapped into. Thank you for joining me. That is your 5 stocks for your portfolio for October. We'll be back next month. Until then, please click the link below for more information on our 5 stocks for October.